Your garden isn't done after summer, it's just getting started. Here's how to sow a second round of vegetables for a fall harvest that can beat your first. Step 1. Find your area's first frost date, then count backward using the days to maturity printed on each seed packet. That math gives you the very last safe date to sow. Step 2. Choose fast, cold-hardy crops. Spinach, radishes, kale, turnips, and bush beans mature quickly, and several actually taste sweeter after a light frost. Step 3. Clear out spent summer plants and work 2 inches of fresh compost into the bed. Fall seeds are going into tired soil, so it needs a nutrient boost first. Step 4. Sow seeds a bit deeper than the packet suggests, since late summer soil dries out fast. Water daily to keep it evenly moist until seedlings break the surface. Step 5. Cover new sprouts with shade cloth or a thin layer of straw mulch. This cools the soil and protects tender seedlings from lingering summer heat. Pro tip: add 2 extra weeks to the days to maturity number. Shorter fall daylight slows growth more than you'd expect. What are you planting this fall? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.